have you ever woken up from a dream where someone you haven't seen in years suddenly appeared, and the next day they messaged you? Coincidence? Or something deeper? Welcome back to Living Curious. Today we're exploring one of the strangest questions in psychology and neuroscience. When you dream of someone, are they dreaming of you too? Every night, your brain enters a world without logic, where the subconscious takes control. In this world, time bends, faces blur, and emotions become more vivid than reality. Scientists call it REM sleep, and it's when your brain is most active, processing memories, fears, and desires. But here's what's fascinating. Brain scans show that when we dream of someone, the same emotional and memory circuits light up as if we were actually with that person in real life. Your mind, in that moment, doesn't know the difference. Across cultures and centuries, people have reported shared dreams. Two people, sleeping miles apart, claiming to see each other in the same dream, feeling the same emotions, remembering the same scene. In 2015, researchers in Switzerland studied mutual dreaming. They found that when people had strong emotional bonds, like family, best friends, or soulmates, their brainwave patterns during REM sleep showed unusual synchronization. It doesn't prove telepathy, but it hints that emotional connection might influence how we dream. Psychologists propose something called the emotional echo theory. When you think intensely about someone, especially right before sleep, your brain releases neurochemicals linked to memory and emotion. This strengthens the neural bridge connected to that person's image. If they're thinking of you too, both of your subconscious minds might activate similar emotional memories, causing overlapping dream imagery. It's not proof of magic, but it's proof of how powerful emotional energy can be. Here's something even stranger. Sometimes we dream about people we've never met, perfectly detailed faces, emotions, even conversations. Neuroscientists say the brain doesn't invent faces. It borrows them from memories you forgot, someone you passed in a crowd, a photo you glanced at once. But some dreamers claim these strangers later appear in their lives. Carl Jung called this synchronicity, when internal and external events align with deep unconscious meaning. Maybe dreams aren't random after all. Maybe they're messages waiting to be recognized. Real documented cases exist of mutual dreaming. In one study, 2 participants kept detailed dream journals. Without communication, both described meeting at a lake under the moon, in the same week, same imagery, same dialogue. Scientists can't explain it. Was it chance? Shared imagination? Or something the brain hasn't yet mapped? Even quantum physicists have theorized that human consciousness might be entangled on a level we don't yet understand. If particles can sync across distance, why not minds? Sleep is where your conscious self disappears, and your subconscious takes the stage. It's where memories, emotions, and forgotten feelings reconnect behind the curtain of awareness. Maybe, when we dream of someone, it's not them visiting us. It's us reaching out to them through the shared field of memory, emotion, and thought. Maybe dreams are the last place where science and soul still meet. So the next time you dream about someone, don't dismiss it as random. Ask yourself, were they thinking of you too? Or did both your minds wander into the same corner of the subconscious for just one night? Thanks for watching Living Curious. If this dream made you wonder, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, has anyone ever appeared in your dream and then reached out to you the next day? Until next time, keep your mind open and stay curious.